I'm impressed the new
Hey
Overlord
guys,
army has
welcome
held
back to
out this
Tomorrow
long.
16. I am
I'd
your
heard their
host
forces
Javon,
were
and today we're a
exhausted
brand
due
new
to successive
benchmark.
battles.
Today we're testing out Spectral Force 3 for the Xbox 360. That's right, we're testing out the Xenia emulator once again. I didn't know there was a Spectral Force 1 or 2. Today we're running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and it's an RPG. What more do you expect from me, huh? What more did you expect from me? Not a damn thing. I want you to attack him. I want you to make him feel pain. I want to become the next Hokage. Anyway, what do you want me to do? What do you guys want me to do here, huh? Commence the battle. Oh sweet, I just get to walk. That's cool. That's it. End turn. We're all just going to walk until we get to a certain spot. Basically, that's exactly what's gonna happen. We're all just gonna walk until we get to a certain spot, and then I'll just end the battle. Yeah, pretty much it. You can go get the treasure chest. Hey, guess what, guys? It's an RPG. I test everything here on the channel, basically. As you know, the whole point is to show you the progress of the emulator. Every game must be tested. Well, almost all of them. So here we are, testing this one. It runs. Wow, my AP is about to run out and I didn't kill you. That's crazy. A whole amount of AP didn't kill that thing. How do I miss the hard shot? Uh-oh. I'm in danger. I got the hang of it, though. That's cool. I'll have him fight the other guys on the ground floor. But it looks like they can come up on maps, so that's not going to be great. Now, this one can run at 30 FPS all day long from the minute you decide to launch the game, so you're good in that regard if you ever want to play the Spectral Force for whatever reason. Now you can. I'm just going to mute myself because obviously this one's going to run. No issues whatsoever. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the gameplay.
Ah! All right, let's move out. Looks like we're done here. Let's proceed.
Captain Judo, that does not appear to be the case.
What?
These undead